Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643. There have been reports from Windows users getting error code 0x80070643 when they try to install the latest Windows updates, applications, system components, and security patches. But not to worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we have gathered various troubleshooting solutions to fix Windows Update error code 0x80070643. Do not let this error stop you from keeping your computer safe, secure, and up to date with the latest features. Watch this video to solve this error code once and for all. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to run Windows Update Troubleshooter. Running Windows Update Troubleshooter to diagnose and fix issues related to Windows Update, in this case error code 0x80070643. To do this, click Start, click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear, click Update and Security, then click Troubleshoot at the left pane. At the right pane, click Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, click Run the Troubleshooter tab. Windows will now search for problems. Next, follow the on-screen instructions if a fix is needed. If there are no problems found, click Close to exit. Update Windows again, and then check if the Windows Update error code still occurs. The next solution is install the Windows Update in a clean boot state. Another troubleshooting solution is to install Windows Update in a clean boot state. Doing so helps isolate and identify conflicts between Windows updates and third-party software and/or services. The third solution is to run an SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your computer for corrupt system files and bugs that may be the culprit for error codes to appear during Windows updates. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left. Then, click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. At the command prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press Enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer reboots, check if the Windows Update error code still occurs. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.